Chief Minister Okram Ibobi refuses to comment on Congress MLA Y. Irabot's resignation. Muslims celebrate Eid with religious fervor and gaiety in Manipur. Minister Mirabai refutes allegations by opposition against discrepancies in implementation of National Food Security Act. BJP Manipur makes elaborate arrangements to welcome BJP President Amit Shah tomorrow at Hapta Kangribung. And Kuki NP Manipur asks government to punish those behind Kuki genocide before finalizing agreement with NSC and IM. Hello and welcome. You're watching Impact Primetime News. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh today refused to give his comment on the resignation of the Wangkai MLA Yungkam Irabot from Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee. Media persons asked the Chief Minister's opinion on the resignation of the veteran Congress MLA from the party to join the BJP Manipur Pradesh. Ibobi was taking part in the mass prayer at the Idgah in Sangai Yumpam in Thoubal district in connection with the Eid celebration. In a diplomatic way, the Chief Minister said he came there to attend a religious function, not a political event. It may be mentioned that veteran Congress leader and Wangkai MLA Y. Irabot resigned from the primary membership of the Congress and the Manipur Legislative Assembly. Irabot joined the BJP Manipur Pradesh yesterday. He accused the Congress government of ignoring the people of Wangkai and development of Wangkai constituency in the last 15 years.
राजनीति की लाख पचुनते सीधे सुम नहीं राजनीति की लाख पचुनते सीधे सुम नहीं राजनीति की लाख पचुनते सीधे सुम नहीं राजनीति की लाख पचुनते सीधे सुम नहीं.
Muslims in the state today celebrated Eid al-Juha with traditional and religious gaiety and fervor. In morning, people offered mass prayers at nearby mosques and idgahs in various Muslim inhabited areas. In Thoubal district, people offered prayers at the idgah in Sangai Yumpam. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi also participated in the mass prayer at the idgah in morning. He also planted trees around the idgah on the occasion. Greeting the people on the festival, Okram Ibobi wished for peace and harmony among the people of the state.
Singda leiba, tampakta leiba, Manipurda leiminariba, ekoi punamak, yamna sana sinana, nungsinana, ekoi punamak, leiminanaba, yamna santi leiba, adugumba, Manipurama woinanaba, Allah talada, ekoi punamak, nizeduna. Sugumba nungairaba Idul Juhagi numit asida Manipurda leiminariba ekoi punamaksi mana apamba dharma chacharagasu ekoi amatani haiba adugumba paujel adu ai Manipurda leibiriba ching amasung tamda leibiriba Manipuri sinau khudingmakta apil asi taujabani.
People celebrated Eid al-Juha with religious enthusiasm at Thoubal Moijing in Thoubal constituency. Muslims offered their prayers at Moijing Idgah in the morning. They also greeted each other and wished for peace and harmony. And many people also prayed at Kabra Ziyarat to pay their respect to their forefathers. Mufti Al-Hajj Akbar Khan greeted the people on this festival.
Idul Adha asi aseng amakti igoi giloda Qurbani Eid haira khangnai Qurbani Eid haibadi taseng badi kathok pagi harau bhaibani kathok laba matung da harau fangi badu gi maming Qurbani Eid kawi loina na haira badu gomba Allah gi chauraba sum laba Islam gi demak te pirak ba harau kumai asina ngasi sangsars da leiriba Manipur da leiriba samaj gi jati bijati khatana pung khuding makta masina zariya oraga masina maram oraga ekoi khuding ko nungsi chanana leiminaba ngambagi jariya amoina sembi sadu.
Speaker T.S. Lokeshwar celebrated Eid at Purum Pangaltabi Khungang, Khundrakpam Kendra along with the residents and the Imam. The speaker took part in namaz and expressed satisfaction at participating in the celebration. Political activity by political parties across the state is gaining momentum day by day with General Assembly around the corner. Today, Social Welfare Minister A.K. Mirabai refuted charges levelled by opposition parties in the alleged discrepancies in implementation of National Food Security Act. Mirabai today blamed the central government for the failure in the implementation of National Food Security Act in Manipur. She was speaking at the inauguration of a community hall at Ghari, Awanglekai. She said opposition parties are making baseless accusations just to gain political mileage. She said developmental works undertaken during 15 years of Congress rule is visible to the public and asked if these opposition parties come to power, then the state treasury will face deficit. She said Manipur government revived its treasury only after the Congress came to power. Speaking about her assembly constituency, Minister Mirabai said, as the MLA of Patsoi, she has not misappropriated funds. She also challenged that she will resign as MLA if anyone comes out with proof of financial misappropriation by her. Speaking on Old Age Pension Fund, the minister said for the Valley districts, Old Age pension given by state government will be distributed from tomorrow, and for Hill districts, the pensions will be distributed from the 15th of this month. She also said the delay in distribution of pension is due to time taken in making new pension cards.
Ngasi Manipurda food security act ki matangda soihaliba kaya sinachu Delhi da paliba BJP sarkar ki daitna nadi haina karam haina haibadoribno makoi nadi ngasi ki Manipur sarkar ki makhada leibati pame naduna matam jana enai sida hagat pam to hagat lagaju matam jana makoi ni pam to pa chakthum adu phangdabadagi ngasi ki lairaba paja singna seng phangdabagi awa kaya singna che haktheng na thengnari bani Mirabai na praja ki oiba maral lupa ma chakre haiduna praman loina na pudokpa ngamba targadi ai pudakta resign tawjage praja bu nungsiba oiragadi karigi damakta ngasi tumina laigogi sidaida laipa nungsiba saduna dharna tawbagi mawutta tawchona dili chatuna.
BJP Manipur Pradesh is all set to welcome BJP National President Amit Shah tomorrow. Security has been beefed up and elaborate arrangements have been made at the Hapta Kangzebung, where a public meeting will be held. It is expected that around 35,000 BJP workers will attend the meeting. BJP Manipur Pradesh President Khetremim Bhavananda said the main objective of BJP National President Amit Shah's visit is to plan for the upcoming 2017 general election. Amit Shah will land at Imphal International Airport at 11:15 tomorrow and will be escorted by 200 bike-borne members of Bharatiya Janata Youth Morcha Manipur to the BJP Manipur Pradesh head office. He will be accorded a grand welcome by BJP Manipur Pradesh Mahila Morcha. At 12 noon, the public meeting will begin, which will be followed by speeches from State BJP President and Northeast Democratic Alliance NEDA convener Himanta Biswa Sharma. Amit Shah will give his speech at 2 p.m.
Sebjalebisi hayengdi D-Day yoksele duga hayengdi lakadoribisi mi lising kunthra munga mungne khani inspector ise tinne na adubu sidagi hena lakani haibagi thajaba leire BJP karino adagi BJP akhoi chawkhat anaba adi election lakadobisi sida moibu hay election je thengnabada moigi akhoi gi kari hai tare ithop mathau hapi bai pe tare maruina maduni moina laibsi BJP gi karyakata si karino haibadu mayek sengna takpi ani haina ina mayamda appeal tawjiri amasung mayam boina matam jana lengbirangna baina appeal tawjiri.
Thangwaiban MLA Kumukcham Joy Kisan today claimed that Wangkai Block Congress has been uprooted and no insane person will join Wangkai Block Congress. Speaking at a press meet held at the residence of former Wangkai MLA Yungkam Irabod, who joined the BJP Manipur Pradesh yesterday, Kumukcham Joy Kisan said Wangkai MLA Yungkam Irabod and Congress workers have taught a lesson to the people of Manipur. He alleged that the Congress government did not frame a drug policy as relatives of Congress leaders are involved in drug trafficking. Joy Kisan said Irabod resigned as MLA to save the future of the youth of Manipur. Vice President of Wangkai Block Congress Committee, P.H. Ibopisak, said Wangkai Block Congress Committee, Youth and Mahila Mandal were dissolved and all the members will join Wangkai BJP Mandal to strengthen it.
Wangkai Kendra ki Congress ki karmi kayana Congress thadoga BJP yaurani hena ngasi lauthokiba phirebasi ayaba piri haibasima koi president na emonda lautho moina ayaba piri pugaloina makoi puna maksi BJP changbagi ayaba pijare Wangkai Block Congress si maru pungna bolena lobu yare tungda karigumba Wangkai Kendra da Congress yaurpa taragadi madu drug lalon bagumba ड्रग लरोंब के सौगटपगुम नतना कनामता लेते
मणिपुर लेंगालिबा ओ इबोबिगी अदुगुम्बा मागी फैमिली की ओइबा कांग्रेस बी तसेंगना वाखै केंद्र की प्रजा म्याम पामजदे मतम सांगना अखोगी लीडर बु मांगना ओपी नैबिबा अखोगी लीडर बु मांगना मवा लौबिदबा थवा साबिदबा वाखै केंद्र प्रजा म्याम की साखुंग लाप मतमदा मांगना अखोगी साखुंग पिबिदबा मागी मचानुपा हेनरिदा ओने पिबा अदुगुम ड्रग लरोन मचानुपा दो वाखै केंद्र की लुसिंग बोने पुथोरकन हेना तौबा ओ इबोबिसे अखोई ngasi warong daba ngamdre वाखै केंद्र प्रजा म्यामना.
Political parties have been opening election offices ahead of the 11th Assembly polls, which are likely to be held in the early part of next year. An election office of K.H. Loken, who is likely to contest the Assembly election on BJP ticket in Wangoi constituency, was opened today at Wangoi Wahangbam Lekai. A public meeting was also held where the people resolved to work for the development of Wangoi constituency as dreamt by the former Chief Minister, late W. Nipamacha. Kuki Inpe Manipur appealed to the government to punish the persons behind the Kuki genocide before finalizing the agreement between NSC and IM and Government of India. Kuki Inpe Manipur today observed Kuki Sanetni or Kuki Black Day, commemorating the massacre of Kukis during 1992-1993 allegedly by the NSC and IM. The day was observed at Saikul Block headquarters today, where a mass prayer was held, followed by a minute silence in memory of those who were killed in the massacre. Kuki Inpe Manipur submitted a memorandum to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi through SDO Sadar Hills East Saikul. The memorandum demanded immediate settlement of the Kuki Genocide Committee committed by the NSC and IM.
Sarkar da Indian government da ahoige Kuki sing micham praya hat pasing da matik chaba action PBU haina kayar marom akhoi memorandum thajin gare ngasi phawda NSN I mathakta madugi action lokhatpa natana moigi political dialogue se final tawrakani habagi akhoi masi pause tare maduna akhoi Kuki sing na masigi solution akhoi gi solution se phangdri phaw naga singgi political dialogue se akhoi subya yaroi habase Kuki mayam singna masigi pandam da masi akhoi 13 September se phangtuk jabani.
Kuki Inpe Manipur today observed the Kuki Black Day at Kangpokpi headquarters. Secretary of Kuki Inpe Manipur, Khamlen Khub Lenjo, Kuki Inpe Sadar Hills President Saimang Khongsai, executive members of Kuki Inpe Manipur, church leaders, Kuki women leaders attended the observance held at KCC Church Kangui. They held a mass prayer and observed 2-minute silence as a mark of respect to those who died in the incident. Kuki Inpe Manipur Secretary Khamlen Khub Lenjo accused the central government of trying to divide the Kuki tribes living in the state. He stressed the need for the Kuki community to form a common platform to fight their cause. Kuki Inpe Sadar Hills President Saimang Khongsai reiterated that the observance of Kuki Black Day is not against any community. He said it is in memory of those who were killed in the unfortunate incident of the 1990s. Business establishments, shops and markets remained closed to mark the day and roads wore a deserted look. Black flags were hoisted in every household. They also submitted a memorandum to the Prime Minister demanding punishment of those responsible for the Kuki genocide through the local administration. Kuki Black Day was also observed at More HTC Hall, organized by HTC, KWUHR and KSO. All the commercial establishments, educational institutes remained closed from 7:30 a.m. to 12 noon at More. During these hours, all the vehicles remained off the road. 2-minute silence was observed in honor of those killed in 1992-1993 massacre. Around 500 people, including neighboring village chiefs, attended the event. Manipur Sumanglila artist Hwirem Bishes, who is representing India in the upcoming Miss International Queen 2016 in Bangkok, was last night physically assaulted by escorts of RD and PR Minister Moirang Temokendro. The incident occurred last night around 10 near Yai School, Chingakham Lerak. The incident occurred when Bishes, driving a Tata Bolt with a friend identified as Rohit, got stuck at the narrow lane of Chingakham Lerak when escorts of the minister started using abusive language. He alleged that the escorts physically assaulted them. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club, Bishes said the escorts even hit him on the forehead with the gun. Bishes accused that when he shouted his friend to note down the number of the vehicle, Minister Kendro returned and asked what he wanted to know. Manipur State Shumang Lila Council President M. Purnimashi strongly condemned the incident. Purnimashi demanded immediate clarification from the side of the minister.
Please help me, I love it. I'm to come, I am to come, I other second of one day. I might do this one, please, then I do my dance out of that, or when I got it to topic, got it talk it over the inner. Got it number not out, Angang to then loud one, do Angang got number not out of any story. Got number not over the comedy, email to Kundari. Kay Henning, hey. Tam who is one security things in a toy chicken, Tamo, the war that day. Either Tataba, Tinzaksari beset. Tamogi security Shinshirana either artist acquire have a medical checkup dogs have a matamane, hoi pirate duty, SP the point of view. What's the reason behind that?
Makoina, two madam the laga, Madunia Dani Haidana sing to other gadi. Kariguma Wahi Amani, Haineraga sing to Nabama, Taudragadi, Kongjangama, artisting you about Kongjangama, Zangjang and Niaba Pomasena, Miamda Tamzeri.
Condemning the incident, President of Marup Loi Foundation M. Ranjit said the indifferent attitude of the society towards gay and transgenders has discouraged them in pursuing their dreams. Lifetime General Secretary of Manipur State Shumang Lila Council Sagrapam Hemanta urged those involved in the incident to clarify the matter. He expressed grave concern at the atrocities on artists.
Uniform the labor since in the Nipima Bissing Karamba object when Ubino Kang Diva. Nipima never had the Puraga Yare, Makadong, having concept of labor don't Uzaba Haita, Sima the Yam strongly yazaning day. Yes, also crimes in the Nabiam the Senate. Nipi Reptoba, Fudan Sintiasoba, me Punasainaba, Sapam Lampam, the Pishabi, Matas in the Rasibo Senate, they have I can say proudly. I don't hand Namtara Tami among the Pubi beside Viva, was in a quite Mimang Tona Quaggy. Sigi Pantum Capang Topongam the Baki sustainability like a Makusiamangam the Basidi and Mating Pangsali, but people say Basina.
BCS Masamaxina, I artist ni, Sumang like artist ni, higher over the Napi the Base, Kiam Land by my Tower man. All India, Amakatan Kanbamatam, the Manipur, the Sumang Lagi Marti, Mam Katan Yorkomatams, they couldn't Yaman artist near Harabokta. And Fuzeli, but in the liver, guest about the Nijan Kari international artist community, the Kari Singnable with the Gino.
Miss India World 2016 Priyadarshini Chatterjee is visiting Imphal to attend the inauguration of Robert Naurem Studio and Academy at Uripok Krishnamlikai on September 24. As part of the function, a roadshow fashion parade will be held and Piaggio company's new scooter Aprilia SR150 will be launched. Speaking to media persons, Academy Chairman, fashion designer Robert Naurem said very soon he will try to establish a fashion academy providing degree course under a university. He said at least 20 models, including 6 models from outside the state, are taking part in the fashion parade. He appealed for public support.
Designer shingda, especially designer gi boutique ka hire ka koi emphasis pi base koi Manipur ri yang kan laitri Manipur ri tailor hire ga di modis designer ki type ta am chat le duna angang sing je designer tamuraga moi gi market am ilai leitaba aduna koi na fashion extravaganza kain mamang da hokdokra hojik se train noi angang sing fashion sida kanna push tor pong tore moi career lom da lakchana ba nai na sigi inspiring jo oizaba motivation jo oizaba encouragement youth sing encouragement oizaba fashion ki career tamuraga mang ma am su le duna si boutique se hang ka na makoi youth sing da su have the self job pizza.
Miss India World 2016 Priyadarshini Chatterjee has appealed to the citizens of the state to come and support Robert Naurem. Priyadarshini said she is very excited to visit the state.
Hello Manipur, I am Priyadarshini Chatterjee, Miss India World 2016, and I will be coming to Imphal, Manipur very soon to support and promote Robert Naurem's new collection of handloom products. So let us all join hands, come together and acknowledge and appreciate the untiring efforts put in by the weavers of Manipur. So hoping to see you all at the grand opening ceremony of Robert Naurem's collection on the 24th of September at Imphal.
Now it's time for a short break. We'll be back soon to watching Impact News.
Lengson Birau, Thamaiban GM College Road to Laiba, Eastern Suzuki da. Fangbiragani Suzuki ki gari macha sing makhal suna. Mafam sida Suzuki da train tarba mechanic singna ningthina service piriba servicing center gi khudong chaba amasung spare parts sing MRP rate ta fangbigani loinana irai laina loan loba yabagi khudong chaba su pizari ngasi maglengsin birau Eastern Suzuki Thangmaiban DM College Road Imphal Manipur.
Welcome back. The pony is an endangered species and their number has become considerably low in Manipur. Meanwhile, a pony was hit by a vehicle on Tidim Road near Takelekai this evening around 6. Eyewitnesses said an A-Star car heading from Kwakithel hit the animal. The animal sustained injury in the head and both the forelegs. Later, passers-by took the animal to veterinary hospital Sanjentong. The 132nd birth anniversary of freedom fighter Lai Khurram Khagendrajit was observed at Wangkai Kaithel, Asangbi, organized by Khagendrajit Research Committee. People offered floral tribute to the freedom fighter and observed the 2-minute silence as a mark of respect. A biography of the freedom fighter was also released at the event. It may be mentioned that Khagendrajit fought against the atrocities of the monarch when Manipur was an independent country. Hunger strike of all Manipur DPC completed candidate of Police Constable Male 2013 entered the 4th day today. The candidates began fasting from the 10th of this month at Kaisampat Laimazam Laikai Community Hall. According to the fasting protesters, some of them are facing health issues and that the state government has not sent any medical team. It may be mentioned that yesterday a team of Red Cross came in with medical help and admitted 4 of the fasting protesters at RIMS. Today, the condition of 2 of the protesters are worsening with no medical attention. A suspected Jet-UF cadre was reportedly killed in a gun battle between cadres of suspected NSCN-IM and Jaliangrong United Front Jet-UF last night. The incident occurred at Taudai-Zang village in Tamenglong district. The deceased Jet-UF cadre has been identified as Pogwang Lung and belongs to Azuram village. Passenger and transport vehicles were stopped from plying on Yaskul Road between Yaskul and Kaisamtong today. This afternoon around 1:30, women of the locality blocked all the passenger and transport vehicles on the road. Blocking the vehicles at the corner of Krishna Premi oil pump, the women demanded the vehicles to use another route. Women of the locality defied the order of the police not to block and divert the vehicles. The women complained that the work of sewerage project is going on from Yai School to Kaisamtong, due to which half of the road is already blocked. On top of that, all the passenger and transport vehicles are diverted to this road, creating traffic congestion, causing inconveniences to the locals.
अनाब अमता पुथोक अखोय नंगदे करिनो हाबदा मेन सैसिदा पैसेंजर पुबा गाड़ी मयाम अमा अगी पब्लिक वेहिकल मयाम अमा अदगी मयाम अमा थमजलबनिना अखोय अनाब पुरकबा गाड़ी दो ममाय लेफम लेत्रे अदु मयाम पैसेंजर पुबा मयाम दो सोमदा हाना चलम लंबीसी सरकार गिदा अकायबा म लई हाना सोमदा थाजन बिरे अखोय ना सोमदा थाजन बिरा नो लंबी दो मनुंग दि कोमलाव लेरे तौरीसे अखोयसु तौरीबा ठिकादार ऑफिशियल ना तौरीबा डिपार्टमेंटल तौरीबा सो हाइजै अमा नालगा अमा तौ अदुबु ताबिदे
Rongmai Students Organization, Manipur RSOM, All College Students Union Imphal, Liangmai, Naga, Katimai, Ruangdi and other student bodies appealed to authority concerned to release pre-metric and post-metric scholarship for the year 2015-2016 within 2 days. Addressing the media persons today at Manipur Press Club, Education Secretary of Liangmai, Naga, Katimai, Ruangdi, T.H. Masangbo said Directorate of Tribal Affairs and Hills has released only half of the post-metric scholarship in April this year. He said if the authority fails to fulfill their demand, they will close down all offices related with education, including Directorate of Tribal Affairs and Hills. One-day symposium to enhance education budget and make education system effective was held today at Stranded Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur. It was organized by All India Students Federation, Manipur State Council, Speakers at the symposium stressed the need to increase the budget for education to improve the quality of education in the state. They also emphasized the need for better practical rooms and good libraries. BJP Manipur Unit State Executive Member Ningombam Helendro, along with members of the local clubs and residents, cleaned the drains from Loklaubung to Karam Lerak under Ward number 14 in Yaskul constituency. Silting machine of Planning and Development Authority was used to clean the drain. The locals appreciated and thanked Ningombam Helendro for taking initiative to clean the drain. A woman was caught and ostracized for snatching gold earrings of a 6-year-old boy in Lambal, Awang Lekai under Lamsang police station. The incident occurred yesterday when 28-year-old Pukrambam Ronibala, wife of Ranjit, snatched the earrings from the minor child who was playing with her son. Angry locals Lambal, Awang Lekai expelled Ronibala from the locality. The second Foundation Day of Manipur Architects Forum was celebrated today. The event was held at Lesemba Fantasy in Kanchipur. Members of the forum and young architects took part in the celebration. One-day festival of Manipuri Manoharsai was held today at Pechimayum Mandap in Kongpal, Khaidem Lekai. The festival was organized by Manipuri Manoharsai Ashram, Wangkai Ningthem Pukrimapal. Artists of the ashram performed Nupa Pala, Nupi Pala and Kholbol Mala. Composite music Nong Thang Nong Khong Lakpa Santigi Nong, a synchronization of Pung, Dhol and Pala Cholom, was presented at the 8th annual function of Guru Kula Cultural Academy today at Khurai Kongpal. Guru Kula Memorial Award was presented to 2 teachers of Pung and Ishai. 3 gurus of Natta Sankritan who received National Award were also felicitated at the function. Jain Manipur Dance Academy Director L. Upendro, retired Director S. Thanil Padmashri awardee Pradhan Guru A. Tombinau, among others, attended the function. Fourth Hidongba Hyang Tanaba was held at Lamlais Salampat, organized by Ima Imoinu Thaugal Thaushil Lup, Thaushil Kanglup, Kanglei Park. BJP Election Management Committee Convener T.H. Chauba, BJP State Executive Member M. Poirehanba Maitei, BJP workers, among others, attended the event. Now in sports, New Crown Club Kongampat won the 23rd El Sangita Devi Memorial First Division Football League Tournament. In the first league match today, the match between Wafa Wangoi and SCK Kodompokpi was a goalless draw. The last league match between Sai RC Takyel and Kuki Sporting Club Lambulen also ended in a goalless draw. The tournament was organized by Imphal West District Football Association at SKYC Awang Sekmai Club Ground. First Division Football League Tournament winner New Crown Club Kongampat will participate in the Super Division League Tournament next year, organized by Imphal West District Football Association. Neroka FC team who bagged the runners-up title in the 128th Durand Cup Football Championship returned home today. The players were accorded a warm welcome when they arrived at the Imphal International Airport by officials and members of Neroka and football fans. Neroka FC did not lose a single match on their way to the final of 128th Durand Cup Football Championship. They lost to Army Green in the final played at Ambedkar Stadium in New Delhi on September 11. Neroka FC will meet FC Jalen tomorrow in a match of 11th Manipur State League at Imphal Polo Ground at 2 p.m. KKCO L7 Kaisamthong Ilangbam Lekai entered the final of 61st Sir Churachan Singh KCSI CBE Memorial League Cum Knockout Open Kang Tournament. In the first semi-final match, KKCO L7 Kaisamthong Ilangbom Laikai defeated Klasa Kaino Kangkut 12-11. In the second semi-final match tomorrow, Yaskul Kangkut will take on Chingthang Lairembi Kangkut Nambol Bamdiar. 12 Kangkuts are participating in the tournament, which began from July 28. The tournament is organized by Kaisamthong Kang Cultural Organization under the aegis of Manipur Kang Association at Khabam Lakpa Mandap, Kaisamthong Ilangbom Laikai. In the 5th Mangsa Tabam Iboyama and Puinabati Memorial League Kam Knockout Kendra Wise Kang Tournament, Thangwaiban Kendra Kangkut won the second league match. Thangwaiban Kendra Kangkut defeated Haingang Kendra Kangkut 15-6 in the second league match. 12 Kangkuts are competing in the tournament. Wangwai Kendra Kangkut will take on Kundrapam Kendra Kangkut tomorrow in the third league match. Before we end the headlines, Chief Minister Okram Ibobi refuses to comment on Congress MLA Y. Irabot's resignation. Muslims celebrate Eid with religious fervor and gaiety in Manipur. Minister Mirabai refutes allegations by opposition against discrepancies in implementation of National Food Security Act. BJP Manipur makes elaborate arrangements to welcome BJP President Amit Shah tomorrow at Hapta Kangzebong. And Kuki Inpi Manipur asks government to punish those behind Kuki genocide before finalizing agreement with NSCN-IM.